Hey guys, now we have the OPPO Watch 4 Pro, the new smartwatch from OPPO, and this time they bring the updated edition compared to the last generation Watch 3 Pro, and it support over 400 clock plate than the last time, so you have more choice to choose. And you can choose one you like to customize as you like. And also this time they use the stainless steel watch cover, the ceramic cover, and the framework is stainless steel. The covered screen, and also it supports over 100 model sport mode, and especially for the badminton. And here is also support NFC and adjust your brightness, so it's very powerful. And also this time they use the BS 2700 and small core chips. If efficiently compared to the last generation, updated to 34%. It's more powerful, and here we can go back to the home and check more details. And also for the health, it supports the heart rate monitoring, and also the blood sugar monitoring, and also it can support the temperature sensor, and also can detect your health status through this. And here are more features about this device, the Watch 4 Pro. So yes, I really like it. And also the also the badminton, I think they did a lot of job on this. And for specification, support 2 GB RAM, so you can install as you like. And here also the user experience is also very nice, easy to control. Cameras, heart rate monitoring, and easy to change and switch from the different car plates. And here we have more pictures for you to check it. And thanks for watching.